Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make truffle sauce. Truffle sauce is a key ingredient for any desserts. Any kind of dessert related to chocolate, you will be needing truffle sauce. To make the truffle sauce, you need cream and chocolate. This is in the proportion of 1:2. That is, here I've taken 250 grams of cream and 500 grams of compound chocolate. To make this recipe, you need to chop the chocolates very finely. You can grate it, you can chop it as you like. We have to melt the chocolate. So first, let's start making the sauce. To make the sauce, we need to heat the pan and we add our cream to this. We will just give about a boil to the cream, just one boil. We don't need to keep boiling the cream. As soon as you see the bubbles coming out of the cream, we will switch off the flame. As you can see, little bubbles coming out of the cream. As you can see, the bubbles are coming out of the cream. We will switch off the flame and add our chocolate to this. And fold in the chocolate. With the heat of the cream, the chocolate has started melting. Keep stirring. Now you can see the mixture has come together. The chocolate and the cream has mixed properly. And you can see a beautiful sauce. We will remove the sauce in a pan. Our truffle sauce is ready. You can store the truffle sauce in an airtight container for about 15 to 20 days in the fridge. Whenever you want to use it, you can reheat in the microwave or on a double boiler and use it as and when required. Hi friends, let's make a very popular dessert, Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo is very easy to make and there are a lot of options that you can use or you can avoid. So today I'm going to show you a very quick, simple and very easy way to make Monte Carlo. For this you'll be needing chocolate sponge cake. I've just crumbled the sponge cake. You can make the sponge at home or you can buy slice cakes. You get Britannia chocolate slice cakes or Wonkies. You can use that and crumble. You need truffle sauce. You need chocolate chips, 1 cup of vanilla ice cream and 1 cup of chocolate ice cream and a jar. Let us start assembling the dessert. The first layer that we make is the crumbled chocolate cake. We add little chocolate cake and just press it little so that it just sets at the bottom. After this, we are going to add 1 layer of chocolate sauce or the truffle sauce. Then we will top it up with some vanilla ice cream, the third layer. After we add the vanilla ice cream, we put little chocolate chips to it. You can also add praline if you want. That's very much optional. Some people don't like praline, some people like praline, so it is according to the taste. Then we add the second layer of crumbled cake. After we add the cake, now we are going to add the chocolate sauce again. After this, now we will add chocolate ice cream. We will just top this up with little bit of chocolate chips again. You can close the lid and the chocolate Monte Carlo is ready. You can see the layers coming here. We need to freeze this jar for about 2 hours before you serve it so that the ice creams and the sauces settle down and chill. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel so that I get lot of encouragement to make further videos. Thank you so much.